Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So as we are seeing Python tricks and tips, so here is next tip. So here I have given enumerate. So when you have to use enumerate, for example, you are looping over an array means list or tuple or anything. So for example, you want both counter and the value in that array, right? So at that time, instead of using such a syntax, so when you have to use enumerate, so are you using for I in range len array to access both index and the value of the array? So for example, you are using this syntax I in range len of array, so length of array, and you are using this print I. So here index will get printed, and what is the value at that index, so that is you are getting here. So if you want such a thing, so instead of using such a approach, so here what will be the output you will get at what is the value at 0th index, first index, second index, third index and fourth index, right? So instead of using such a approach, so what is the better approach to use? You have to use enumerate. So what this enumerate will do, so for I comma val in enumerate, so you have to use here enumerate function, and you have to pass your array here, and you have to use here print I and val. So automatically this enumerate, whatever the index of this index number will be there, that will come in I, and whatever the value of the array, so that will come in val variable, right? And here you are going to get same output, that is 0a. So whatever the element at 0th index, then first index, second index, third index and fourth index, right? So this is the recommended approach whenever you want index and value in that array. So we will see this practically next. So whatever we have seen in slides, that we will see it practically now. So for example, I have this array arr is equal to, so it is containing characters A, then B, C, D and E, right? And what is my requirement? So whenever I am printing these characters, so simultaneously I want their index values also. We know that in Python index starts with 0, right? So now for that wrong approach, or the approach you should not follow, so that I will take here first. For I in range len of this arr, so now I will get here index value of those array elements. So here I will print I, so that will be the index value, and at this index whatever the element is there, so that also I want to print, so that I will access using this index. So if I run this code, so I am getting here index and whatever the element at that index, so that I will get. So this is one approach, but this is not recommended approach. So what is the best solution for this? You can use here enumerate. So how to use that? For I val in enumerate function, you have to use arr. So with this, what is going to happen? Automatically I is going to contain your index value of the element in this array, and val is going to contain a value of that element at that index, and I will print here I and val, right? So now in this way you can use this approach also, right? So I will print here some. So now I will run this program again. So earlier approach was using normal approach, so that is A, B. So we got here index and its element, and the second approach. So here in both cases you are going to get same output, but whatever the second approach we have used here enumerate. So this is the recommended approach instead of using such a approach using len function, right? So if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.